So this is called the property of invert endo. Now what this says is if A by B is equal to C by D. Children, A is to B equal to C is to D means what? A by B is equal to C by D.
C by D.
Okay. Now children, if I take the D this side and C this side, B is, if I do the cross multiplication, what happens here is this D will go up and C will come down, and here B will go up. So D will go up and C will come down, and B will go up and A will come down just by cross multiplication. Okay. So if A by B is equal to C by D, then I can say that B is to A is equal to D is to C. So this, I'm getting this by cross multiplication, children. The ratio is the same thing, but by cross multiplication, I get D by C is equal to B by A. This is exactly what is happening here as well.
So we just changed it, right? In this, like 21 by 14, we just did as 14 by 21 equal to 15 by 10, we just did it as 10 by 10.
Yeah, 10 is to, that's it. Yeah. So children, this is the property of invert endo. This is easy. This is alternate endo. Alternate endo. What is happening here? A by B is equal to C by D. This implies A by C is equal to. So children, same thing here. A by B is equal to C by D. Now if I interchange these values here, so C will come here and B will go there. So A by B is equal to C by D, then A by C is equal to B by D. So 21 is to 14 is equal to 15 is to 10. So 21 is to 15 is equal to 14 by 10. So children, this is how it happens here. C will come here and B will go here. In the previous slide, what we have seen is here there was exchange in both the sides from both sides. Here what we are seeing is only one side there is a swapping of values. C is coming here and B is going there.
So can I just tell an example if it is correct or not? Can I just tell?
Now what is the example?
6 by 10 equal to 20 by 30 with this alternate
20 by 30.
Yeah, 20 by 30.
How 6 by 10 is 20 by 30?
Sir, like actually I just took a random option.
No, 6 by 10 cannot be equal to 20 by 30.
So we need an equal. I thought we could take random.
No, you cannot take random.
Then so
this is already given to you. Neha, this is already given to you. From this, you're getting this.
Oh, if they are equal, right?
So children, in the alternate endo, what is happening is you're swapping with one of the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. Children, we have something called compound endo property. Compound endo is what? You add the numerator and denominator and have it in one of the fractions. And then for the other. So if A by B is equal to C by D, if A by B is equal to C by D, A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Children, we have an example here. I have 21 by 14 is equal to 15 by 10. Now 21 plus 14 by 14 is 35 by 14, that is 5 by 2, and 15 plus 10 by 10 is 5 by 2. Children, I have supposed this is clear. This is called the compound endo property, where you add the numerator and denominator and keep it in the numerator itself on both sides.
I didn't get it.
Children, this is dividendo property here. In dividendo property, what is happening is we are subtracting the numerator on both sides with the denominator. So if A by B is equal to C by D, A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. Children, in the previous case, in the compound endo, what we were doing, we were adding the numerator and denominator and having it in the numerator here with the denominator on both sides here. In this case, it is subtraction. Okay. So what I was telling is in the component of property, what is happening is if I have, see children, A is to B is equal to C is to D means what? A by B is equal to C by D. Now in this case, I have the example of 21 is to 14 equal to 15 is to 10. Now according to this law, what is happening? According to this property, I would say, what is happening? 21 plus 14 by 14. What is the value of this, children?
Sir, it is by 14.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it 35?
One
Like
second.
35 by 14?
So this becomes 35 by 14. If I simplify this, I get it as 5 by 2. If I simplify it, I get it as 5 by 2. Next, on the other side, I have 15 is to 10, right? So 15 is to 10 is 15 plus 10 by 10. So this again, if I simplify, I get it as 5 by 2. So therefore, A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Pragya, is it clear now?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay.
Sir, I think the next property is in case of this addition, we just put the subtraction, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. That's it.
Like 21 minus 14 is 7. 7 by 14, just simplified it and it's 1 by 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it, sir. So, shall we move ahead?
No, you got to wait for your friends. Neha.
Yeah.
Children, are we clear with the property of dividendo? In the previous case, we had addition here. In this case, we have a subtraction. And this is componendo dividendo. This is componendo dividendo, children. So A plus B by A minus B should become equal to C plus D by C minus D. So here I have 2 is to 8 and 4 is to 16. So 2 plus 8 by 2 minus 8 is 10 minus 10 by minus 6 is equal to 5 by minus 3. And 4 plus 16 by 4 minus 16 is equal to 20 by minus 12. There is something called convertendo property. Now, according to this property, what is happening here? If I have A by B is equal to C by D, A by B is equal to C by D. I have A by A minus B is equal to C by C minus D. A by A minus B is equal to C by C minus D. So children, we have this example here, 21 by 21 minus 14 is equal to 3. And 15 by 15 minus 10 is equal to 15 by 5, that is equal to 3 again. So A by A minus B is equal to C by C minus D.